Now, I would like to speak to you about this more because I would like you to understand that you are part of transmutation. You are part of changing the earth, and you are part of the change in the earth. You understand death and rebirth because we talk about it quite a bit. You understand death and rebirth in certain ways. I'd like you to understand death and rebirth as an ever moving vibration, like a loop. You are dying and rebirthing constantly. And so in order to understand what you are letting go of and what you are becoming, it's important to be fully present in the moment. I have spoken to you many, many times about the idea of transmutation. When I speak to you about transmutation, when I speak to you about transmutation, I speak to you of actually taking something and alchemically changing it. Earlier humans did not understand the alchemical changes that take place. They sought to transform things into gold, base metals into gold. Transformation takes place within the human consciousness, and that ability to transform can actually change the physical. So back in the Middle Ages, when alchemy first was introduced into the vibrational consciousness of the vaster level of humanity, there are others that knew about it way before, as it was introduced to the consciousness to be a historical platform for future times, which you are currently in, when it was first introduced, the understanding about it was that something material would be raised in vibration to something else material. What was missing from it is that the focus was on the material. The focus needs to be on the vibrational, and then then the material can change. So as you are gazing out the window at a tree at this time, you would be able to change that tree into something else through the vibrational nature of your divinity. You were not ready in the Middle Ages as a race to accept that divinity. There are quite a number of souls on the planet, including your souls, that are able to accept their divinity. The more of you that begin to accept your divine nature on deeper levels. Human mind tends to simplify things and make it complex at the same time. Simply put, there are many layers to acceptance of your divine nature. Most of you accept it at least 50%. You are moving, many of you, into a greater acceptance of divinity, which will change your vibration more and more, allowing you to be more consciously aware and fully present in the moment. The more you are fully present in the moment with all the parts of self, and this is part of why awareness and awakening can be so painful. You must wake up to parts of self that have been shut down. The human system gets overloaded easily and can only take so much vibration, information, feeling, and so on. You are actually open and receiving more vibrationally than humans in generations past. And so you're in the process of opening more and more. This is what has created so much stress in the world. There seems to be a greater level of stress in the human being than ever before, and your stress levels in all of you are high, which is why it is important for you on the material level to try to work in reducing your stress in any way that you can. There are many practices, I think that all of you know, that help reduce stress. In the last few full moon, we spoke a lot about vibration and vibrational healing and sound vibration and how important that is at this time. There are many ways that you can produce sound vibration, but one of the greatest ways that each one of you can produce it is within your own being. Open the palms up and gently repeat my name, Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain. Open the palms upward to receive. Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain. Drawing the breath in and opening them up to receive. Hold them up, repeating my name, and now move into toning. Tone. Each one of you tone inside your body and let yourself merge with my energies, feeling the energy vibration moving through your body. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Drawing the breath in deeply, deeply. Continue your toning. Find the tone that is best for your body. Let that tone run through your nervous system. Let that tone run through your shoulders, your neck, up and down your spine. Feel that in as you mentally repeat Saint Germain, Saint Germain, weaving in with the energy vibration of the violet flame. I am Saint Germain, calling my name. I am Saint Germain. Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain of the violet flame. Oh.